Alright, so today we're out playing with our Pit Boss ceramic grill. Already at temperature. I'm going to close this up. There we go. And our lid was already closed all the way. But we are going to low and slow some Italian sausage. And then we are going to simmer that in a tomato and pepper sauce. Maybe just a hint of bourbon. So part of the fun of owning these things is trying to figure out how you're going to cook some of your favorite dishes and come up with unique ways to use your Pit Boss ceramic grill. Today we're going to be using our cast iron. Flip our lid open. Actually, let's go over here. Chunk of smoking wood in there. Drop that right in the middle. Drop this down in there. Put our cast iron on top. And then we're going to use our small adjustable rack. I think you've all seen this before. There we go. So, the smoking process, I'm just going to smoke the sausage on this little rack with the drippings going to the cast iron. And then when those are done smoking, I'm going to saute my vegetables in the cast iron, add our sauce, drop them smoked sausages in there and let them simmer. Look at that good smoke we got going already. Alright, got to get my sausage. Got our sausage out, just have to unpack it. And these are some green chilies that I grew last year. And we did them over the grill, put them in the freezer, and today we're going to use them. Finally, they've been sitting in the freezer for 8 months now. Time to use them. All right. Get these sausages going. It's going to work better. This is going to work better like this. Perfect. We're going to let those smoke, close the lid, and let them cook. Come back out and check the temperature here in a bit, see if we can make any adjustments. And yes, we are smoking with cherry wood. And if you haven't used cherry wood before, give it a try. It's not very overwhelming. It's a very sweet smelling smoke. So if you haven't tried cherry wood, give it a try. Another little fun project we're doing today is I've got my electronic in there and I'm comparing it to the Pit Boss thermostat. Now I would say the digital is sitting just above the meat. You can see we're already looking at like a 40-degree difference. Easy. These are easily replaceable if you know of a better one. Yeah, we're up to 224 on the electronic, and this one's still reading under 200. So my advice to you would be make sure you have some electronics so you can keep an eye on your temperatures. I also have something else I can stick in there just to keep an eye on it. Give me one sec. It's literally set inside here that we can peek at when we do open the lid eventually. And let's set that right there. Alright. I don't want that one dropping in there too far. What is going on with temperature devices right now? We'll check back in a bit. Alright, so I think we level out in the electronics. It's been between 258 and 260, kind of been bouncing back and forth. This one, And it's still reading just over 210. Every time the wind blows, you'll see this one drop. As you can see, that's a pretty big discrepancy. Alright, my temperature kept rising here to 272, so I closed the vents down to 2. 1, 2. Look at this one. It's still reading just under 220. 273, 274, 218. So, this is a good little experiment we're running. We're learning some stuff. Hope you are too. And just for fun, let's lift this up. Let's see what this one's reading. See, that one's reading 222. So what's wrong? Getting smoke in my mouth. So what's right and what's wrong? We'll find out. Boy, those look good. So those have been going about an hour and a half. Let's see what this thing says. About 250 to 260 on these. Of course, this thing's been reading, so I'm not sure what to believe. I think the Maverick's off, because this one and the pit boss gave me a consistent temperature. This one was reading bullshit. So I got my vegetables all prepped. I'm gonna pull these sausages off, set them aside. Yeah, we got a little bit of pepper juice down there. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil. Oh, actually, I got quite a bit in there. I'm gonna call it good. I'm gonna start sauteing our vegetables. This is just a mix of 1 red pepper, 1 green bell pepper, mushrooms, onions, garlic. Boom. And we're gonna saute these up. We'll be back in a bit. Alright. Looking good. So for my seasoning, I'm just gonna use a basic McCormick's bruschetta Italian seasoning. Simple enough. And with the spoon side, with the shaker side. Shake a couple tablespoons in there. Pretty good. That looks good. Stir. Looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna give this another 5-10 minutes, and I'm gonna dump my sauce in there. Man. Alright. That is looking good, don't you think? Yeah, I think so. Alright. So, we are going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Put that in there. And then we're going to add, let's go ahead and put our sausages down. And then we'll add our tomato sauce. Of course, that's going to keep me from being able to stir it real efficiently. And then got some cracked red peppers. Probably recognize those just from one of the pizza joints. And I'm just going to sprinkle those around. Not a whole lot. As much as is in a package. Yeah, get out of there. Right. Stir this up. Sausages and all will stir it up. Oh boy. I'm going to close the lid and let this cook. Get a little more sauce on those over there. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. No, I did open the vents wide open. I mean, wide open. There we go. And I did that because we want to get our temperature up to where we can bring this to a simmer. And we also needed it hot so we can saute. So, I want to get it up to temperature again, get it to a simmer, and then we're just going to close the vents down. Ooh, as you can see, we got a good simmer going on here. So at this point, I'm going to shut stuff down. Close this vent. Close here. And we'll take it down to say 3 and we'll see what happens. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? We're going to stuff one of these here pieces of bread, top it off with cheese, put it back on the grill, taking the heat deflector off and using the last of the charcoal to toast these up. Be right back when they're ready to go. Alright, I was able to get 2 sausages in there, plus a whole bunch of sauce. Basically going to be like a hot sausage hot pocket. Here. Get a mouthful of cheese. Put a good helping of cheese on each one of these. And then, here's my green chilies from earlier. I'm just going to throw them right on top and let them melt down into the cheese. Yeah. A little more in this one. Alright. Oop, dropped one down there. Let's close up the lid and let them toast up. These bad boys are done. Let's pull one off. Oh, you can hear how crispy that bread is. Crispiness. Let me set this down for a second, cut into this. Boy, look at that. There you have it. Well, thanks for joining us. We're going to go ahead and enjoy this. I don't think I need to eat it in front of you. I think the picture says it all. You guys have a great night. We'll see.